Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of ILGA 15. Today we are going to cover our second chapter in the unit diversity, which is lost a foot, walked a mile. The chapter is about a girl, Sudha Chandran, and her super inspiring story in which she won in her life. She became successful after all the odds that she had to face. Okay, a girl named Sudha Chandran, who was a very brilliant dancer, a Bharatnatyam performer, and she lost a leg in an accident, and then how she survived the accident and how she became successful is the inspiring part of the story. So let's get started. First, we will just have a look at the difficult words that are going to come in the chapter, and then we will start the chapter. The first word is enthralled. Enthralled is to capture the complete and strong attention of someone. Let's see an example. The cricket match kept the audience completely enthralled. मतलब it captured the complete and strong attention. किसी की भी attention को grab करना strongly, right? उसको enthralled बोलते हैं. Next word is mere. Mere is used to point out that something is really small and not important. कहते हैं ना, it's a mere small thing to do. The shirt costs mere ₹100. Mere. It's something that is really small or not very important. Next word is graceful. Having or showing grace, a quality of moving in a smooth, relaxed and attractive way. Here graceful is used for dancing. We will see in the chapter. Seema is a graceful gymnast. मतलब उनके जो moves होते हैं gymnastic करते हुए, those are very graceful. Drastic. Drastic मतलब severe and sudden or having a strong long term effect. Drastic मतलब बेहद ज़्यादा, severe and sudden और having a strong long term effect. कुछ चीज़ भी बहुत अचानक से और बहुत ही extreme amount में हो जाती है तो उसे हम drastic कहते हैं. For example, Shashank's life took a drastic turn when he lost both his parents in an accident. Example से clear हुआ? Next word is crashing down. Crashing down मतलब get destroyed suddenly. मतलब किसी की लाइफ completely crash down हो जाना, कुछ भी अचानक से destroy हो जाना किसी की लाइफ में. Maya's little life came crashing down after an accident, but she worked hard and got better. Okay. Next is ray of hope. Now this is a positive word. Ray of hope मतलब something that makes you feel slightly happier or more hopeful in a difficult situation. मतलब आपकी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है and then आपको कुछ एक होपफुल चीज़, कोई एक हैप्पी चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में आती है तो इट बिकम्स अ रे ऑफ होप. कोई चीज़ जो आपको एक पॉजिटिव वाइब देती है कि हाँ एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑल राइट. एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज़ स्टिल अ रे ऑफ होप दैट आई विल विन द कॉम्पिटिशन. मतलब मैं ऑलमोस्ट हार चुका हूँ बट स्टिल एक लास्ट राउंड में एक रे ऑफ होप है दैट आई विल विन द कॉम्पिटिशन. समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. क्या होती है स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन? व्हेन अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ क्लैपिंग ड्यूरिंग विच पीपल इन द ऑडियंस स्टैंड अप टू क्लैप. जब आप कोई बहुत अमेजिंग सी कोई परफॉर्मेंस देता है स्टेज पे या कोई बहुत अच्छा काम करता है तो लोग स्पेशली अ क्राउड स्टैंड्स अप एंड गिव्स अ लॉन्ग क्लैपिंग. लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन तक क्लैपिंग कोई करता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. हमने देखा है नॉर्मली हम रियलिटी शोज़ देखते हैं या ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेज शोज़ देखते हैं जहाँ किसी परफॉर्मर को स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिलती है. Sachin received a standing ovation on completing 15,000 runs in Test cricket. Okay, now this is a great work that he did, Sachin Tendulkar, and he got a standing ovation for that. Next is fighting spirit. The willingness to compete or to do things that are difficult. Fighting spirit क्या होती है? कोई भी चीज़ों को बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशंस में विलिंगनेस होना आपके अंदर टू compete. Ramit's fighting spirit helped him complete the race although he was tired. फाइटिंग स्पिरिट मतलब आपके अंदर एक वो फीलिंग होना, एक विलिंगनेस होना, डिटर्मिनेशन होना कि मुझे तो ये करना ही है, चाहे मेरे को कितनी भी डिफ़िकल्टी हो. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. An 8-year-old girl was performing the Bharatnatyam dance, a very old Indian dance form. We all know what is Bharatnatyam, right? Bharatnatyam is a very old Indian dance form that is performed in South India. It is a very graceful form of dance. She was performing dance on stage. The audience was enthralled. Enthralled matlab to see such a young girl perform. They were all very attentive. She grabbed the attention of all the audience. A young girl performed with so much confidence. People watching her dance were sure that she will become a great dancer when she grows up. This young girl was Sudha Chandran. Okay, when she was just 8 years old, she was performing with such confidence and grace. Sudha started learning Bharatnatyam dance at the age of 3. Can you imagine? At such a small age, when kids even just start speaking. She was a fast learner and would pick up dance moves by mere observation. Mere matlab just observation. हमने पढ़ा ना, mere small thing. Just by observing, she could pick up the dance moves. Sudha was not only at the dance. She was not only good at the dance but also excelled in her studies. Now she was good at studies as well. By the age of 15, Sudha had performed in several stage shows. She continued to receive praises for her graceful dance moves. Graceful, beautiful dance moves. However, little did she know then that her life was about to take a drastic turn. Drastic क्या? Completely different होने वाली है उसकी life. Severely change होने वाली है. One day she was traveling from Trichy to Tamil Nadu to Chennai. Trichy in Tamil Nadu to Chennai. A few minutes later, the bus met with a major road accident. Sudha also got injured. Her right leg had a fracture and deep cuts. Now she met with a major accident and she got a fracture in her right leg and deep cuts. She was taken to a hospital. However, the doctors made a big mistake while treating her leg. क्या किया वहाँ डॉक्टर्स ने? डॉक्टर्स जहाँ पे जिस हॉस्पिटल में उसको लेकर गए वहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स ने एक बिग मिस्टेक किया while treating her. क्या मिस्टेक था? Instead of cleaning the cut, they just wrapped her leg with the plaster. उसके कट को क्लीन नहीं किया. सबसे पहले हमारे को चोट लगती है, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्लीन करते हैं, राइट? क्लीन करते हैं ताकि इन्फेक्शन नहीं हो डेटॉल से या किसी चीज़ से. तो उनको भी कुछ डिसइंफेक्टेंट यूज़ नहीं किया एंड डायरेक्टली उसको प्लास्टर से रैप कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से इट कॉज्ड सिवियर इन्फेक्शन. दिस कॉज्ड एन इन्फेक्शन so bad that was the infection that her leg had to be removed through an operation. उनकी leg में इतना infection हो गया that it had to be removed. Her dreams of becoming a great dancer came crashing down. She couldn't even walk. Now can you imagine, for such a graceful and beautiful dancer, leg चले जाना is such a big deal. उसका काम ही वही है, to use the legs gracefully and to perform. So how would she do it now? So obviously all her dreams of becoming a great dancer came crashing down. Completely destruct हो गई उसकी life, ख़त्म हो गई, and she couldn't even walk because she didn't have a leg. For a long time Sudha was angry. Obviously she was angry. However, her family never left her side. Her family was always there to support her. They always told her to be hopeful. इतना कुछ होने के बाद भी they told her to be hopeful. Dance was her passion and she had to fight back to fulfill her passion. Now again, as we learned in our last story, a blind man who hits a six, उसमें भी हमने शेखर नायक की एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी पढ़ी थी दैट इवन ही वॉज ब्लाइंड एंड ही लॉस्ट हिज पेरेंट्स, देन ऑल्सो he did a very good job with his life and he became a successful cricketer. Similarly, she was also very passionate about dancing and she wanted to fight back to fulfill her passion. You know students, without having passion and without having focus, we can never be successful. Even if we have all the good things in life, that our parents provide, even then we can't do anything until we are passionate about doing something. So let's see then what happened. Around this time she read about Dr. Pramod Karan Sethi from Jaipur. He was famous for making artificial legs. Sudha saw a ray of hope. जब वो इतनी दुखी थी, वहाँ पे उसने सुना कि एक डॉक्टर हैं जयपुर में बहुत फेमस जो कि आर्टिफिशियल लेग्स बनाते हैं, तो उसे एक रे ऑफ होप मिला, उसे एक होप का कारण मिला. शी विजिटेड जयपुर टू मीट द डॉक्टर. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन शी आस्क्ड द डॉक्टर वाज, कैन आई डांस? उन्होंने पहला क्वेश्चन डॉक्टर से क्या पूछा? विल आई बी एबल टू डांस आफ्टर दिस? द डॉक्टर सेड yes. She was very happy, of course. Sudha got an artificial leg to fix her body. Leg fixed to her body. She had to wear this leg using belts. Belts लगाने पड़ते थे उनको इस leg को जोड़ने के लिए, to fix it on her body. It was very difficult for her to learn to walk again. It was a very difficult task to do that because she already had lost her leg and it was a difficult process to walk again. It took her 4 months to start walking with the artificial leg. First, she practiced walking with the artificial leg. Then she started practicing her dance moves. उनको 4 महीने लगे, 4 months just to walk with those legs, to make a habit out of it. And then as soon as she started walking, she started practicing her dance moves as well. It was a slow and painful process. She had to learn all dance steps from beginning. She had to learn to use her artificial leg while dancing. It's a big challenge, guys. And still she did that because she was very passionate about dancing and she wanted to do with her life. Even after losing a leg, which is such a big deal, she never lost hope. Her pain increased as the pace of dancing increased. उसका पेन और बढ़ता था जैसे जैसे वो फास्ट डांस करती थी, लेग पे जोर डालती थी. However, Sudha did not give up. कितनी भी परेशानी उसको आई, she did not give up. She continued practicing. Soon she mastered all the dance moves again. She gave her first stage performance in Mumbai on 28th January 1984. Her performance was received with a standing ovation by a large audience. Stories of her hard work were published in newspapers. "Loses a foot, walks a mile," said one of the headlines of a newspaper, which is the name of our chapter as well. She became famous around the world. It is not a normal story, students. It is not very easy to move like this and to do such a amazing job in life. She started getting invitations to perform in various countries. Her perseverance had finally borne results. In the years to come, a film was made on her life titled Nache Mayuri. Students, the word perseverance here means when we do something consistently, when we do some hard work, that is known as perseverance. Then had finally borne results. In the years to come, a film was made on her life titled Nache Mayuri. Her life story became an inspiration for many. Nache Mayuri is a famous movie, students, that was made on her life. You can Google it and watch it. and take an idea how inspiring her life was. She also started acting in television and films. She's a famous actor. You can find her online anywhere. She has acted in so many television serials also. Even though she is a renowned actor today, dance remains her first love. She started the Sudha Chandran Academy of Dance in Mumbai and Pune. She teaches dance to students every Sunday. Her fighting spirit is an inspiring story for many. This is not exactly Sudha Chandran, this is just a painting of a woman, but looks like her. And this is still of a woman dancing Bharatnatyam. This is an amazing story of this woman, students, right? So we all should be inspired by this and should not worry about the problems that we have, but just focus on our passion. The question answers of this chapter are in the workbook on WS4. You have been provided the answer keys and you have to complete the question answers in your notebooks, right? Please write the word meanings before the question answers and do these exercises in book only, right? Okay students, so this chapter is complete. Lost a foot, walked a mile. This is a beautiful story of Sudha Chandran, and for now I am taking your leave. We'll see you with other chapter. Take care. Happy learning.